Add cinnamon sticks to vinegar, and even your neighbors will smell it. Your house will smell wonderful, free from flies and mosquitoes. You need to do this today. Everyone asks me what my closely guarded secret is. So today, I'll teach you how to make it. To start, we'll put a glass of room temperature water in a pan, approximately 250 milliliters of water. Then, add 3 cinnamon sticks. Do not use ground cinnamon for this. The cinnamon sticks are completely natural and make it easier to prepare this trick. Next, let it boil for a few minutes. Once boiled, turn off the heat and let it cool a bit. Afterward, strain the mixture, as we only need the liquid. Now, transfer everything into a spray bottle. Cinnamon is a powerful ally against flies and mosquitoes that insist on showing up. Besides, it has a pleasant smell and creates a cozy atmosphere. Did you know cinnamon is used to help with anxiety? Along with this, add a capful of fabric softener, any kind you like. If possible, use a concentrated softener. Also, add a cup of white vinegar. Only white alcohol vinegar will work for this. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Use whatever you have available at home. Your house will smell wonderfully fresh 24 hours a day. The result of this homemade solution is simply amazing. This will be your best ally at home when guests come over. Then, close the spray bottle and shake it to combine all the ingredients. With this, your home will be completely insect-free, and there won't be any lingering pet urine smell from dogs and cats in the house. This simple mix can keep your home smelling fresh 24 hours a day. It's also excellent for repelling flies, mosquitoes, and even cockroaches. And you can spray it in strategic spots around the house, like in the bedroom, living room, bathroom, or wherever you prefer. It's great for eliminating bad odors, especially that musty smell that appears when the house is closed for a long time. It's also excellent for eliminating the smell of dog and cat urine, especially if you have a dog that stays on the couch and carpet. It's super cheap and very easy to make since you probably already have all the ingredients at home. Don't be surprised if every visitor asks why your house smells so good. I bet you'll come back to thank me later. You and your whole family will love the result. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you next time.